So what's up, fam? Me, man. Oh, look at Nuri looking all fly with his glasses. Oh yeah, also I have to do some shoe shopping. So I don't know if you guys know, I do a lot of my shopping before the season starts because the last year's season stuff it goes on sale and it's so cheap. But they're really not out of fashion. People think it's out of fashion. It's all about how you pull off stuff, and a lot of stuff is very similar. For example, I just picked up these shoes for myself, and these were close to like 200 something dollars, and I'm getting them for about 150 bucks. That's like half the price, and I'm gonna wear them in winter with my suits and stuff. So you know what, when you guys are shopping, it really is a good idea to come shop way before the season starts, because you'll be getting some really cool deals. And that, I'm gonna be starting out something very cool for all the men out there, so watch out. Let's go, Nuri.
I want to go to Tate. Not go to Tate. Go to what?
What is that?
T-Rex.
Is that a T-Rex? The kid knows more than I do. Don. Yo, Sham. क्या कर रहा है यार? दांत तो ब्रश किया कर, bro. Little Shavir hatching from the hatch. Little Shavir hatching from the egg. Oh, hello. Froggy's here too? Oh, snap. Oh, hello. Oh, that's Froggy right there. Look at that. Oh, I got it! What? After 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Oh my god, what'd you get? What happened?
I was scared hide from your head and I did it!
Yeah! High five! High five! Why, did you see that? Did you see that?
Yeah.
And you sit there and you sit
That's a lazy Elvis, y'all. That's a lazy Elvis. So we're told in Niagara, his dad used to do this, and this is the son. And dad used to be so much more fun than the son is. Alright family, last time I gave you guys a challenge to tell me what this sign means. And so many of you guys got it right. The sign of mankind. It's a little bit of history, you can pause and read it. And now the next challenge I have for you guys is, what are these? Let me know what these are. And I'll give a shout out on the vlog of whoever figured, or who the first one is who told me what this is. Yeah, so much respect for all these artists. These things are handmade, handcrafted. How cool. You guys should look up history of Canada. It's actually really nice. Alright family, something so sweet happened. Me and Noor were getting gifts after we get the tickets when he played. This lady came with her son, and I guess the son is a mute, he can't speak. And the son won all these tickets, and he saw Noor, my little niece, and he came and gave his tickets to my niece so she can get more toys because she was getting upset she didn't win as many tickets. That's so nice, you know? So like mother and son out, and the son can't speak, he's a mute unfortunately. I just gave his ticket away to make another kid happy. That's life, that's beautiful guys. Hopefully the whole world can be like that, you know? Now that's delicious. Fresh chocolate, caramel chocolate. Family, this is the next one, the collection, a 65 Mustang. If you guys know somebody selling one, let me know. I need to buy one of these. Oh, look at that. What is that? That's the Cutlass. Oh, GTO. Very cool. Wait, did I just see waffle cones? Oh, yeah. Oh. Say, what are waffle cones?
No.
Oh,
No.
Oh my god,
oh
yes.
disappointed.
Sorry, let's do that first so the kitty one.
Look at these kids. Look at they're like ready to go. Why don't you jump off the counter, man? Jump. Look at it. He's like strapped in, but he's like, no, I want my ice cream.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Ice cream.
I'll forget, honey. Banana?
Waffle cone, y'all. I got ripped off. I thought it would be like the funnel, you know, the funnel cake waffle, like a cakey cone. This is like normal cone, but Oreo cookie, y'all. Oreo cookie. It's actually really good. It's like Oreo cookie. First kid doesn't want ice cream. You want ice cream? Oh,
He wants the whole thing.
No. Look at his eyes. He goes, give me everything. Last time I couldn't get it for y'all because they let me film here, but this is what we all need home. My question to you is that what you guys think it is? Or is that vanilla ice cream? What do you guys think it is? Ice cream or his face? We got some truth for y'all. Miss 100% of the shots if you don't take them. So true. Now, fam, show this to your moms and say, Mom, I love you. Screenshot that. I mean, how can life be complete with us not having traffic on the highway? You know, when is Canada gonna do construction? Stop doing construction, y'all. Here you go. Family, so we're at Maple Leaf Gardens out here for a Toronto Men's Fashion Show. I'm going to support a good friend of mine. He's launching his line. But before we do that, look at that. Need that in my driveway, you know what I mean? Alright, so where are we? Toronto.